Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I did a tray for May, and it was my oldie but goodies tray. And I mentioned on a previous video that I was like, maybe I'll show you some of the fragrances that I did not get to wear. And I thought that would be cool just to like show you all, like, there is no rules to this tray thing. And sometimes you do not get 2 fragrances that you place on your tray for whatever reason. Maybe, you know, I don't think that there's too many fragrances on my tray. There's not enough fragrances on my tray. I wish I had 3 trays. But anyway, sometimes it's not just the amount of bottles that are on your tray is the reason for you not getting to it. Sometimes you just really lean in a different direction. And I say I cheat on my tray, but sometimes I'm just reaching for something else that I'm really feeling, and nothing wrong with that. But either way, here nor there, let me show you some of my oldie but goodie fragrances that I did not get a chance to wear in the month of May. Let's get into it. Now, first off, let's talk about this. You all know this is my love it, but I have a love-hate relationship with this one, and I'm talking about Chance Eau Fraiche, and this is from Chanel. Sometimes I can wear this and sometimes I can't. I have to be feeling this fragrance, okay? And one is because to me, it gives me unisex, but it really leans on the green side of things with the unisex. So sometimes I am feeling this fragrance and other times I am not. This is a goodie, but it's a goodie at times. I did want to add it to my tray because I thought like, maybe because spring, I might be feeling this, but I never was feeling this in May. And again, this is not a bad fragrance. This is just one that I'm not always reaching for. And, you know, just totally being honest, like you see, like I have worn this. It's just not a love, right? It is a like at times, okay? Now, am I mad about this purchase of this fragrance? So you're probably thinking, sis, you just need to declutter that, okay? If you don't like it, I mean, why would you have something in your collection that you don't love? I think for me, I love all different varieties of fragrance. I've talked about this before. It's very hard for me to declutter my fragrances. And that's just because of the monies that's attached, right? I have not gotten the concept of like declutter so you can get more things in. So if I'm decluttering, I'm thinking like, oh, my money is going away. I really kind of put that one in the same, not like I'm just taking things out to put them back in. And not all the time people are willing to just purchase your fragrances that you've worn already, right? Or if you've worn quite a lot. I mean, there's Macari, and sometimes people do not have a problem with that. But I've also sold things on Macari. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it doesn't. So it's not always the solution. Again, one day maybe I'll get to the point of like a declutter or decluttering fragrances. But in this moment, that concept just doesn't work well for my mental, or it just doesn't piece together, or I just don't like it. I just don't want to do it in this moment, and that's what it is, you know. It is what it is. I just don't want to. All that to say, however, I don't dislike this to the point where I'll never wear this. I never want this in my collection. Again, there's a time and a moment for this. And unfortunately, May was not that time to wear Chance Chanel Eau Fraiche. And that is what it is, okay? Moving on. Next up, one that you might be surprised because it has musk. I think that this is a beautiful musk fragrance. So don't get me wrong, just because I didn't reach for it in May doesn't mean this is not a good fragrance, but it is true. I did not reach for Pure Musc by Narcisorodriguez. I just did not. I wish that I would have worn this to like maybe bed or something, but I was really in my, and I'll tell you, like I was really in my Bath and Body Works body spray bag for nighttime spray. I don't know if that's like a new thing for me. I'm really trying to utilize my body sprays more, and I'm really utilizing them more at night. So that's just me. Anyway, all that to say, this is a good night scent or a nightcap. This is also a good wedding scent. This is really good, but I really didn't go anywhere where this would have been used. That was just it, right? I didn't have an event that I was like, ooh, let me get this. Now, would this be an everyday? Yes. You know, this probably would be one that I wouldn't mind recycling for my next tray, but I do have a theme for that tray. But yeah, I didn't have a problem with this. I don't know why I didn't reach for it. I just did it, and just being quite honest with you. But this is a beautiful musk fragrance. So if you're looking for, or if you love a good musk fragrance, but something that doesn't lean too stuffy or off-putting, I would look at this as far as a musk fragrance. It's really good. It gives me feminine vibes, very beautiful, very pretty, very feminine. So, and very like soft musk. So I do enjoy this. I did not reach for it. Again, I love it. There just wasn't really an event or somewhere for me to go that I'm like, yeah, let me wear this. Okay. Moving on. So next up, another Narcisorodriguez fragrance that was on my May tray that I did not wear was Poudree. Okay. Now this is normally my bedtime scent. Okay. Again, I just mentioned that I've been doing really more of the body sprays wearing to bed. And so I really did not do any perfume for the bedtime. Now, this is a great nightcap. Amazing. And if you have someone in the bedroom, ooh, it's so good. But I will say this is more powdery. But oh, it's so like fluffy soft, like almost like if you have plump lips with really beautiful lip gloss. It's just so pluff to me. I just don't know. It's just puffy and girly. I love this. This is so good. If you can get your hands on Poudree, I would absolutely recommend it for the nightcap. You know, I think this is good, easy reaching every day, but really I enjoy this more. It's not off-putting. It allows me to settle and to really find comfort and to sleep really well and to smell very pretty. It is really good in the night hour. So that's just my opinion, but I did not get to reach for this during the month of May. Again, I really love this. So no beef. I just didn't reach for it. That's all. All right, moving on. So I don't know what it is. You all know I love this company, this brand, and it is Carolina Herrera, and this is Good Girl Blush. I have no idea, okay? I just smelled her. I was like, why did you not reach for this at all? It is so pretty and perfect for this season. I don't know why I did not reach for it, okay? I have no reason. I just don't know. Like, I really wish I would have reached for this more. I'm hoping I can bring this back maybe in July, because this is very pretty. I might even cheat. I might even cheat in the month of June and just wear this. This is absolutely beautiful. If you were looking for a feminine, very pretty girl pink type of fragrance, but it has a little bit more depth to it, this is a good one to choose, right? This is Good Girl. This is the blush one. You know, they have all types of color shoes, and you all know I am a collector of the shoes. I haven't collected them in quite a while. There's the purple one that I wanted to get. There's a few others that I did not get a chance to get in my collection. But this is so pretty, amazing for spring and summer. She will have to come back around. I did not reach for her at all, but I absolutely adore this fragrance. Okay, moving on. Next up, honey, I might not have worn the perfume, but I did wear the hairspray of this, okay? And I'm talking about none other than K-Ali Deja Vu. Actually, I'm taking the hairspray with me on my trip. I love Deja Vu White Flowers. I did not reach for it at all. I didn't even pair it, which is so crazy, but I did not pair this with any of my other fragrances, but this is such a good pair. I love this. So if you're looking for a white floral, but that has a good vanilla in it, like very sweet. If you're not heavy in the white floral, you're like, nah, sis, I don't like nothing like white flower. I don't like no jasmine, okay? I don't like none of them things. This, to me, is almost like a good starter for a white floral fragrance, okay? So if you're looking to dip your pinky toe into white florals or floral period, for it not to be off-putting, I would say this is a great, and if you love vanilla, this is amazing. I did not wear this the month of May, and I haven't worn this a lot, and I don't know why. It's very pretty. I've worn the hairspray down. I just don't know why I don't wear this more often. I really need to do better. Maybe there's one day I'll do like a theme on like one brand, you know, maybe it'll be like all K-Ali fragrances for the month of July or something like that. Maybe I'll play with that. But I don't know why I did not reach for this. It's really good. I just didn't feel it. I just wasn't feeling it in May, and that's really that simple. It's not that it's bad. I just did not pick it up and wasn't feeling it in the month of May, and that's quite all right. But I would love to know your thoughts. Do you have Deja Vu White Flowers? What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Let the family know, like, you know, is this good, bad? Do you like this? Do you not? We would like to know, you know, bad or good. Hook us up, you know, give us your thoughts. All right, moving on. And last but certainly not least, another fragrance that I did not wear in the month of May that was on my May tray was one of my favorites. What happened? Okay, I think I took the Turquoise and did not even look at this for whatever reason, okay? Shame on me. Candy Yum Yum. Shame on me, okay? How do I not put the candy on my... Do you know me? How do I not pick up the candy and I pick up the aquatic Turquoise MAC fragrance? I mean, it's a little different, you know? But I didn't pick up Candy Yum Yum at all. I would say if you like a good guava, so fruity, if you like cotton candy, if you like vanilla, you would absolutely love this fragrance. Highly would recommend you get it. I don't know why I wasn't reaching for it. Like, take my temperature, because this is so pretty and good, and definitely spring, summer. This brings just a brightness and candy-like and fun and playful. I love this. So I would highly recommend, if you have this, pull it out. If you don't have it, I would recommend, if you were looking for a MAC fragrance, this would probably be more crowd pleasing, more of an easy reach if that was something you were looking for. But a good affordable option for the spring, summer for you to wear, that you want to be playful, but you still want to smell very good. Cotton candy, guava. What? Cotton candy and guava? Fruit and candy? Come on. What are we really talking about here? Okay. But I did not reach for this in the month of May, and it is what it is, but it's not that it wasn't good. So that is all, family. These are the fragrances I did not reach for in the month of May, but not because they're not good. I just didn't reach for them, okay? Let me know what fragrances that you had on your tray maybe you didn't reach for. I would love to know what those were, if you had any, right? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.